Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Vashan Brown. COK Sodality Cooperative Credit Union is calling for the Bank of Jamaica Credit Union Act to be enacted as soon as possible. COK Vice President and the Chairman Clive Medwinter says the new regulations are critical components of how credit unions will operate going forward. He was speaking at COK's annual general meeting recently. Andrew Lately reports.
Time is of the essence. That's the word from COK Vice President and Chairman Clive Midwinter, who is eager to see the promulgation of BOJ's Credit Union Act. He says as COVID-19 forced financial institutions to change, the regulations will provide a well-needed guideline.
This is as current as we speak. And when I look at this, I just want to emphasize that we need to act very quickly.
The legislation, which was expected to be passed this year, has been delayed due to the onset of the COVID-19 pandemic. Nevertheless, the COK chairman says his organization continues to prepare for its implementation.
Although the Bank of Jamaica Credit Union Act was not enacted in 2019, COK continued to undertake regular self-assessment to ensure that our credit union will be ready for licensing under the BOJ once the Act is approved in the House of Parliament. The credit union continues to appeal to members to update their account in order to be compliant of the Proceeds of Crime Act regulation, the BOJ guidelines on detection and prevention of money laundering and terrorist financing.
In the meantime, he says COK will continue implementing operational changes, starting with a digital transition.
2020 will be a year of innovation and digital and cultural transformation for the credit union. Your board has agreed to invest significantly in the future of the organization. Thus, the management will embark on an initiative geared towards achieving our transformation.
The BOJ Credit Union Act will give the central bank full supervisory function over the credit union movement. Andrew Lately, TVJ News.
Currency trading now. Well, at the end of trading, the US dollar's value was unchanged from the $147.25 it started the day with. Now, the Canadian dollar, however, lost some value and is now going for $110.37. The pound closed at $191.03, while the euro is being sold for $174.76. The JC Index lost 2,370 points today, while the Junior Market Index gained 41 points. Among the winners were Express Catering, Margaritaville Turks, Epley 8.75% preference shares, Iron Rock Insurance, and Lasco Financial Services. On the losing side, Margaritaville Turks US dollar shares, Palace Amusement, Cargo Handlers, 138 Student Living, and C&WJ Cooperative Credit Union deferred shares. And that's the Business Day. I'm Vashan Brown. Have a good evening.